Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Galaxy face logo effect in Photopea. So let's get started. First, open Photopea and go to File, New, and change the width to 1920 and height to 1080 and click on Create and drag and drop your face image. Now we need to remove the face from this image. Select the path tool and make sure it is in path, not in shape. Draw the path around the face. After adding a path around our face, go to Paths and Ctrl plus click inside the thumbnail to make the path into selection, and go back to Layers and Ctrl plus J to duplicate the selection, which is the face. Then you can transform the face. If it is slightly rotated, you can rotate it back to make it look straight, or you can leave it as it is. I'm gonna slightly rotate the face and click on the tick icon. Then make this face layer to smart object. Right click and convert to smart object. Then I'm gonna increase its size. Control plus Shift plus T to bring up the transform box, and I'm gonna transform it. While transforming, press Shift to maintain the aspect ratio. Place it wherever you want and click on the tick icon. Now you can see inside this hair area there is small amount of background. I don't want that, so I'm gonna add a raster mask and select the brush tool and make sure the hardness is 100% and select the raster mask, not the layer, and make sure the foreground color is black and draw inside the hair. So we just removed the background inside the hair. Now again right click and make it to smart object. Now go to image adjustment and add a threshold. Adjust the threshold value until our face look good. For this image, I'm going for the value of 111. It's look good. Click on OK. And I'm gonna slightly blur this image. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and add a radius value of 1 and click on OK. Now you can see our person's face has some small shadow dots on the head region. I don't want that, so I'm gonna remove it. So I'm gonna add a raster mask to this face image and select the brush tool and make sure the hardness is 0% and erase that area with the black as a foreground color. And now I'm going to add this Galaxy image. Link for this image is in the description, or else you can search it online. I got this image from unsplash.com. You can also search it on unsplash.com or any other free image websites. Now hide this Galaxy layer and select this face layer and go to select and color range. Make the select to shadows and fuzziness to 0%, so that we can only select the black area of this face. Click on OK and you can see the selection. Now Ctrl plus J to duplicate so that the white part inside our face are removed. Now hide the below face layer. Now I'm going to change this layer to face and this layer to Galaxy. Unhide this Galaxy layer and right click clipping mask. You can see our image is clip mask to the face. You can also adjust the Galaxy image and you can also color correct this Galaxy image. I'm going to use the curves adjustment to this image. So go to image adjustment and curves and adjust the curves like this and click on OK. Now select this face layer and Galaxy layer and transform it, because we are going to add a text below that. Select the text tool and add a text. You can add your company logo or anything. I'm going to simply type Photopea and adjust it. You can also change the font. And now you can see this galaxy is clip mask to the text layer. We don't need that. We need to apply galaxy effect to both face and the text. So we need to group this face layer and the text layer. Select the face layer and text layer. Control plus click to select the both layers. Control plus G to group it, or click on this group icon to group it. And you can see this effect is added to both text and face. And also I don't like that font, so I'm going to change that. You can also transform the text if you want. Also, you can also transform the face if you want. Now I'm going to add a background, gradient background. So select the background image and unlock it. Select the gradient tool and make sure the gradient is black to white and mode is radial. Click on reverse. Make sure the foreground color is black and the background color is white. And do it like this. So mild gradient. So that's it. This is how we can create a galaxy face logo in Photopea. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.